Ciao, stai aspettando noi?
Sì, cari amici, benvenuti a Niš. Mi chiamo Dragan.
Mi chiamo Federico, piacere.
Mi chiamo Matteo, piacere mio.
Mi chiamo Roberto, piacere. Hi, are you waiting for us?
Yes, welcome to Niš. My name is Dragan.
My name is Josh.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth. Nice to meet you.
Questi sono Elizabeth e Josh. These are Federico, Matteo, and Roberto.
Sembra una bella città, mi pare.
Sì, sono d'accordo con te. Ma non lo so, non abbiamo ancora visitato la città. Cosa vi piacerebbe visitare? Bar, discoteche o qualcos'altro?
Non dimenticate che siamo venuti a visitare la località storica.
Va bene. Spero che avremo il tempo libero anche per un po' di divertimento.
Ragazzi, vuoi parlare inglese?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Okay, from now on we'll talk in English since our friends here don't speak Italian.
What's our first stop?
Our first stop is a concentration camp. Welcome to the Crveni Krst concentration camp. So, most of you probably know that it was declared a cultural monument of exceptional importance.
I know that, but I don't know what Crveni Krst means.
It's Red Cross concentration camp, literally translated.
Strange. Why was it named like that?
Well, near the campgrounds there's a Red Cross facility. The official name is concentration camp 12th of February.
I remember when I learned history, the Germans were mad because they couldn't bring reinforcements to Serbia since they needed them on the Eastern Front.
Oh, that's why they founded this concentration camp.
Yeah, and I heard for every German killed, 100 Serbs were executed, and for every wounded German, 50 people were killed.
I learned that it was originally intended as a transit camp.
Yeah, that's actually true. It was established mid-1941 and by September that same year it was transformed into a concentration camp.
It is common knowledge that it was operated by German Gestapo, and we all know how much they hated Jews, so it must have been established to keep them here.
Yeah, that's right. But not only Jews, there were Serbs and Romans here. And there were up to 350,000 people at once here.
So there were four categories of prisoners. The first category were the hostages that were used for retaliation purposes. The second category were the Serbs, Roma and Jews. And the third one were people that colluded with the Communist National Liberation Movement led by Josip Broz Tito. And the fourth one were people that colluded with the Yugoslav army in the homeland led by Colonel Dragoljub Draža Mihailović.
So this camp is kind of connected to Mount Bubanj. Have you heard of it?
I have. Isn't it a place where inmates were shot?
Yeah, and the first mass executions occurred on Mount Bubanj in February 1942. There's actually a great memorial that we should definitely see one day.
Yeah, I know that in the same month, a couple of prisoners organized an attempt to escape, and 15 of them managed to escape, while 42 did not and were killed.
Do you know that the second mass execution involved the shooting of a large number of Serbs and the remaining Jewish inmates?
I know that their corpses were dumped into mass graves dug by Roma.
Yes, but they didn't do it on their free will, they were forced to dig them.
I know, it must have been heartbreaking for them.
Children and women of this concentration camp were transferred to Sajmište, the concentration camp near Belgrade, where they were executed using gas vans.
Yeah, I know this is completely off topic, but I'm interested. Did some people have to wear yellow armbands?
Yeah, as you can see, the Jews had to wear the yellow armbands, but as well as the Roma, and the armbands had the word Cigoina on it.
So back to the camp topic, when was it liberated?
In 1944 by the partisans.
Yeah, I would like to see Bubanj and get the whole picture of what really happened.
Me too, but for now let's just go downtown and tomorrow we'll go to Bubanj.
I know where we can go. I heard that Timber's Alley is one of the best places for the young.
Quante belle ragazze! Possiamo prendere qualcosa da bere insieme.
Ragazzi, che parte di
There's a good cafe right over there.
Welcome to the park called Bubanj. We are 3 kilometers away from the city center.
Today we are going to enjoy the beautiful nature of this place.
Yes, it is very green and peaceful here. Let's follow this path which goes through the forest.
But this is also a memorial park. It is a very important place from the Serbian history. Look!
Wow!
It's nice. However, our city and people had a very sad and horrifying history.
Unfortunately, Bubanj was the place of the mass executions of the prisoners from the concentration camp in Niš during the Second World War.
German Nazi shot more than 10,000 citizens of Niš and Southeast Serbia.
A large number of trenches of 20 to 50 meters long with human bodies were found here, and in most of them there are several layers of killed people. The Nazi managed to destroy almost all documentation about this place, and they dug the trenches and burned the corpses.
They tried to hide the facts about the horrible deeds. The story of this site remains as a witness of suffering of Serbian people.
In the central part of the site is a long marble relief with 5 compositions that symbolize the killing machine. Firing and execution squads, civil revolts, surrender of the German invaders, and final victory over the oppressors.
Here we can see the monuments 350. They symbolize raised hands with clenched fists.
Each of the 3 fists are different in size, depicting men's, women's, and children's hands that defy the enemy.
Our generation and those to come have to remember the people who showed courage and resistance while facing the terror.
This place has an exceptional significance, so it must be one of many places tourists should visit when they come to our city.